Hello, welcome back. Thank you so much for dropping a like on this video because we do have a lot of the updates. Seems like a lot of people are still buying Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is still popular and a lot of people are just buying and holding, a lot of them. And what's your goal? House paid off, car, early retirement, college fund, kid early investment. What are you buying SHIB? And a lot of people are buying because of an investment. They're buying because they know Shiba Inu will grow in the prices. Remove the chains that bind me to the monetary slavery. And that's the most common answer I had so far. A lot of people work, jobs that shouldn't be paid that low. And hopefully, we can all reach those prices with those who are watching this video. But thank you so much for watching this video because we are coming into some drastic news. First one. We already know eToro having and promoting Shiba Inu left and right, and not only online. Now it's come to the UK trains, and I'm really excited for that. eToro carrying us. But this is what 100 SHIB NFTs look like in one picture. Thank you to every member of the Shiba Inu army has cheered me on, and thank you to everyone who has bought some. 100 done, 900 to go. Like, this is so crazy. People are already making their own NFTs, and this does have some support. We gotta support NFTs. NFTs are completely the future, and with artistic people hopefully getting the full-time job. And I'm really excited to see that the developer Satoshi Kusuma is actually working on something sweet. Don't reply with questions. I'm in meetings, playing catch up and finalizing things. So this is something that, caught my attention. What does this mean? Don't reply with questions. I'm in meetings playing catch up. It does mean that he's working with some brands. He's working with some decentralized establishments, probably to finalize rewards, to do everything in his power to make Shiba Inu a global brand. So he's not, in fact, just, cruising on his Shiba Inu yacht, but he is, in fact, doing things for Shiba Inu. With the Shiba Inu budget we provided, he is doing big things. So just know I'm here and nose on the grindstone. And also, if you want a free Webull bonus up to $2,300, all you have to do, click on the link in the description. But maybe it's just me, but this coin has done quite a bit in the year it's been around, and I have no reason to believe it won't achieve the same goal. We can see people being confident, gaining that confidence for Shiba Inu. So ultimate goal is getting passive income off SHIB. But a lot of people are holding 71 million SHIB and will continue to do so. And really, people are waiting for next 5 years for this coin. As Shiba Inu prepares for further losses as SHIB bulls lose control, the governing technical pattern suggests that SHIB is vulnerable to the further collapse. So without going too much into details, too much into trading details, should the bulls attempt to reserve the period of underperformance, Shiba Inu price must climb and stay above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. What this basically means is it's not looking good for SHIB. SHIB needs some social media hype. Obviously, it's still doing way better than it was last year. But to reach all-time highs, it needs much more attention. The attention and help of Elon Musk. Now, Bollinger Band creator wants Bitcoin bulls as Bitcoin price struggles below 50K. The price might be different now, but watch carefully, maybe take some profits or hedge a bit, advises Joy Bollinger. And Bitcoin price have recovered by more than 60% from bottoming out below 30,000. I saw that event and, everyone is super scared. Everyone thought SHIB was over. But to John Bollinger, a celebrated contributor to the field of financial analysis, investors should refrain from buying the benchmark cryptocurrency at the current prices. Bollinger advised in his Tuesday tweet that investors could secure their Bitcoin profits or build a hedge position elsewhere. Holders can add at lower levels if we see them. No confirmation yet. Just be on alert. So Bitcoin could be going to lower prices. And that's not that bad. Does this mean Bitcoin is over? Of course not. Shared market analyst Crypto Hamster shared a similar bearish outlook, but based on their analogy on technical pattern called ascending channel. So this basically means we are going to be seeing some dips in the following weeks, but I'm really, really bullish on September 7th. Now, September 7th might be the beginning of Bitcoin's bull run to 75,000. Bitcoin's correction from 50,000 does not necessarily mean the beginning of a bear market, especially as analysts continue to project six-figure valuations for cryptocurrency. For instance, the founder of Lynn Alden investment strategy told Business Insider that Bitcoin has an incredible potential to reach 100,000 by next year. Starting the cryptocurrency is still in kind of early to mid stage of its long-term trajectory. Bloomberg Intelligence. So Bloomberg Intelligence is someone that's really smart. And also envision the same price for Bitcoin. It hopes it will attract capital from the gold market. Now, the gold market has been on a steady decline. Well, it still has been growing, but I think Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, maybe even Shiba Inu, could get that gold, baby. The most important factor here is that we are still super early to SHIB. 3 billion? 3 billion is still a lot of money. That's the top 40th cryptocurrency. Like that's a lot. A lot of people can live off that. But said Bitcoin would surge to 100,000 in the second half of 2021. And with all the movement, whether it be noise at ETFs or countries adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, one could easily assume that this is where Bitcoin would rest by the end of the year. Now, we are seeing some massive improvements. I'm still waiting for the Shiba Inu NFT game. I think truly that would change everything. But right now, it's not looking good for SHIB. As SHIB, we still have so many projects that have yet to be announced for SHIB. Maybe they're under work. Do you think Shiba Inu projects are under work? Or do you think we are focusing on the Shiba Inu NFT platform right now? I'm definitely super excited for what we're about to see next because 2021 is not over yet, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be seeing a lot more. But with Axie Infinity growing so much, Axie Infinity players say they must pay tax on income from game. The Philippine government is yet to determine whether Axie Infinity in-game NFTs could be classified as securities or a currency. But we can see right now, you know, Axie Infinity making so much money in the Philippines. Like it's so popular. A lot of people are super happy about this. Right now, it's the perfect time to get a new cryptocurrency out there, a new NFT game for SHIB, and raising up the prices. Imagine a Shiba Inu island where you can have your own Shiba Inu pet, a specific Shiba Inu pet. If nobody will be making that, I'll be making the game myself and, you know, contact the devs at some point because this is simply crazy. Like, there's so much potential for NFT Shiba Inu games. It's super hard to make, but infrastructure bill set for a vote by September 27th with no changes to crypto tax provisions. The House of Representatives will vote on the controversial infrastructure bill without amendments to its cryptocurrency provisions by September 27th. And the controversial $1 trillion infrastructure bill will see a vote in the U.S. House of Representatives without any amendments to the crypto tax provision by September 27th. So I am committing to pass the bipartisan infrastructure law. So just what you have to know is there's a lot of regulation out there. As we are seeing big partnership, crypto indexes basically are becoming a real thing, which means if crypto indexes are coming out there, more of the mainstream investors will find out about cryptocurrencies. So I'm really excited for that. And, you know, adoption, it's slow, but it's steady. SEC could approve Bitcoin futures ETF in October. And if that happens, Bitcoin will definitely hit $70,000. And with Bitcoin hitting $70,000, will be seeing the new Shiba Inus at its highest. So Bitcoin at $60,000 made Shiba Inu's price spike all-time high. Can we see that for, you know, these coins right now? What we need for SHIB is hype. Hype and social media hype is the most important factor for SHIB right now. And it's down. The trend is down both for Dogecoin and both for Shiba Inu. A launch could come soon as October, and we believe the SEC should permit several to avoid handing out the first mover advantage. But Thai SEC proposes new rules for digital asset custodians. NFT innovator Holdil Assets acquires blockchain social commerce firm CoinLinked. Now that's a new collaboration. But Facebook definitely looking at NFTs. So how will this affect Shiba Inu NFTs? Those who are early in the NFT game could be the earliest to actually get the most rewards. When you have a good crypto wallet like Navi would be, you also have to think about how to help customers support NFTs. So I'm really excited for that. I do think we're going to be seeing a lot more of that. But thank you so much for watching. And until next time, peace everyone.